Hello friends, today I'm going to read The Three Wishes, and this is the book and I'm going to read it. The Three Wishes. Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter with his wife in a village. One day, his wife asked him to cut some thick trees in order to get more wood. The woodcutter headed for a forest to cut down some thick trees. No sooner had he picked up his axe to cut a tree than he heard a voice. Soon a fairy appeared and said to him, "If you don't cut this tree, I will grant your 3 wishes." The woodcutter agreed. The woodcutter ran back to his house with excitement. He began to shout, "My dear wife, I will soon get a big treasure. A fairy told me to grant my 3 wishes." His wife said, "Don't act in haste. Let's wait until morning before we make a single wish. But now I am feeling very hungry. Let's have our supper," said the woodcutter. "Supper will be ready in 1 hour," said his wife. But I wish I had some pudding right now," said the woodcutter. Soon some pudding appeared on the table. His wife said angrily, "You fool, you wasted 1 wish." The woodcutter was upset over her humiliating remarks. He said, "I wish this pudding stuck on your nose." Soon the puddings stuck on her nose. His wife said, "You fool, look what you have done. Do something." The woodcutter tried his level best to remove the pudding, but to no avail. The woodcutter said, "There is only one thing to do. I wish the pudding were back on the plate." The pudding landed back on the plate. The woodcutter and his wife were very upset to lost all the 3 wishes in vain. The end. Subscribe Hit the notification bell so you can see more of Mikhail World. Goodbye.